Yo, welcome back to the channel. Hey, y'all already know what it is. My wife channel, Fix It Chick TV, man. She had to run out, go to the grocery store real quick. So I said, I'm gonna go on and take over the channel. You did. Stop playing. Okay, today, I always bringing in something for my wife to work on, man. I'm always getting something that she can do to keep her thriving. You feel what I'm saying? So check this out. We got this right here, man. This is a 1988 Oldsmobile Delta 88. You feel me? Stop playing with a 3800. Y'all know what that is. Today, man, we're gonna do the spark plugs on there, guy. Look at that core pad. That sucker old. You feel what I'm saying? I already put a new battery in here. That was a minute ago. But what we doing, they got a V6. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the coil pack and the wires. You feel what I'm saying? Hope I don't break that now. We got 3 on back there. You feel what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna change the wires for real quick. And yeah, y'all gonna be seeing it. You feel what I'm saying? Bear with your boy. It's a lot. You feel what I'm saying? So y'all really don't see me like I see y'all all the time. But hey, just know one thing, we about to get it done. You dig? Stop playing with them. So I'm thinking about doing the back first. And the reason I say that, because you're going to get the harder part out the way first. So I might need to snatch this down. I don't even know. But I'm like Sanford and Son, except I'm the father, and I just be bringing junk in. You feel what I'm saying? And the car run good, though. I'm going to let y'all hear it, though, for real. 3800 for an 88. Hey, let's get it. You dig? All right, man, y'all check this out, man. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take this cover off, get it out of here. We don't need it. So I take the cover off, and like I said, man, I'm the type of person, I be wanting to do the goddamn hard one first. And the hard one, they sit all the way in the back here. I don't even think I got it. I don't even think I got my lighter. I gotta get my light. I probably don't need it. Smell like a rat trap up in this sucker, y'all. Rat poop. So we got 4. Which one is going back there? We got 6, and there gotta be 2, 4, 6 in the back, and then we got 1, 3, 5 in the front. You dig? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the ones in the back first, and I do them one by one, so I won't get myself confused or mixed up the spark plug wires. You feel what I'm saying? Even if I do, I know how to fire it back up. Stop playing with me. You dig? So y'all stay tuned. We about to get it. Y'all see me, I'm on this one right here. And that's the 6. 6 is at the back. That's the one I just took off. 6. Let me take this. Keep these, because you have to put them back on your new spark plug wire. These are like heat shield, so it won't melt your spark plug wire. I like to get my wire, and I like to measure it. Make sure I get the same exact size. Yeah, they all the same. That's crazy. These longs right here. These longs right here, y'all. They all the same size, so we just gonna do it like that. They go for the back because they the longest. So let's see if I can run it back the way that I take it off. And like I said, y'all remember, y'all gotta keep this because we're gonna put it back just like that. You see what I'm saying? Just like that. Okay. Let me see, can I run it back in there? How I take it out of there. Y'all see, I got the spark plug thing on there, and as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a 5/8. So slide that on there. Brown sugar bag. Yeah, y'all give me a second, y'all. And you break it. Turn towards the driver's side. Turn towards the driver's side. On these 3800, you got the spark plug at 0.60. We got the new spark plug. I already gapped them. We put them in there. We're gonna we gonna got it going. Put it back down in there. And you just twist it back in there, y'all. I do it by hand. Twist it all the way to the bottom out. Like that. Get my ratchet. And you tighten towards the passenger side, people. Tight. Don't break it. Don't break it. Pull your tool off, piece by piece. Get your socket off. Always make sure when you pull your thing off, you make sure your O-ring is still inside of your spark plug socket. Y'all see it? It's still in there. Spark plug's there. Nothing on it here. Put it on there. You run the. Don't forget your shield. Remember I told y'all about this shield. Put your shield back on now. Get your spark plug. Make sure you hit pop right there. And we on to the next one. What I do is, y'all, I twist them. Pop it. And this is number, I think this is number 4, y'all. Yeah, this is number 4. Okay, so we got that spark plug wire out of there. I ain't want to take y'all through the process showing y'all how we got that wire out of there, but y'all didn't know. We got it out of there. Put your ratchet on there. Driver side. Break it. And I turn it with my hand. Take it out right there. Yeah, we're gonna be back with a new one. We got the new one. Remember I said I screw it all the way in until I bottom it out. Just like bottom out right there. Y'all see it on there? So I grab my ratchet and you tighten towards the passenger. Tighten it. Always make sure your rubber is in there. And it is. You dig? Stop playing. You feel me? Yeah. Y'all see the spark plug? She's in there. You feel me? So let me get that wire back on there. All right, y'all. I got the wire ran back in there. We're gonna get this shield piece. We're gonna put this shield back on here. Put that back on like that. And then put all back on number 4. Like that. Make sure it click. Get this. Take it back down there. Y'all remember that spark plug right there? Make sure you hit click. So if it don't click, it ain't it. And she go, y'all. And she's looking good. So we're gonna pull this one off right here. The next one. Always remember to do your hard one first. I mean, the back was gonna be hard, but it's really not that bad, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to you. See that? Got it off. So bring that up through there. With these, you can go and put them in where they need to go, there and there. So yeah, let me take this wire, take it off here, and we're gonna go with it. Y'all gotta excuse my boys, they out here playing water gun fights. Pull that off, like that, and that's number 2. Remember I told you in the back we got 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5. You did. Okay, so just gonna take that off. Right, y'all. We got that last one right there. She poking out too. Look at her looking good. Hey girl. Hey girl. Go towards the driver's side. Just like that. Just like that. Y'all see that? Twist, 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 twist. Just like that. Okay. Get it in there. And that's how I do it. I be rocking it just like that. Gonna grab my ratchet. Cut the car ratchet. You did. Slide that off. Check your rubber. She's in there. See if I can find that spark plug. There she go. Don't hide. Don't hide. You feel me? So, I'm gonna put that back on here. And I think one of my spark plug wire popped off back there, y'all. Let me see. Give me a second. Hey, y'all, I did have a wire off, but I put it back on. But y'all see that? That's the back. Always do your hard part first. You feel what I'm saying? Everything's back in. Got the clamps back on. Put them back on. First three. We're gonna pull this stuff. Get this oil stick out of there. Clean little oil now. Stop playing with that old school. You feel me? Stop playing. So I'm pulling this cap up out of there. Y'all just like that. Pull these out of there just like that. And we're gonna start with the further. We're gonna start with this one. Y'all gotta forgive me, the sun is really about to piss me off. Pop that out of there just like that. And as y'all can see, that's crazy. Ain't no freaking seal. I mean the shield on the front. You know what I'm saying? So let's see, can I get that down in there? Pull. This time you loosen it towards the passenger side, y'all. You loosen towards the passenger side now. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy tuned up. Ooh, yeah. Tight. Y'all know I gotta goddamn pull that out. Bam. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. You feel me? Pull that spark plug out of there. Bam. Rolling like a big shot. You tighten it back towards the driver's side, y'all. In the front one now, not the back one. You feel me? So put your ratchet on there. Get it. Ah, God, diggity dog. Okay, this is the one we taking off, and it's probably number 5. Told you, stop playing. Number 5 is the one that we get in our. So we're gonna put the number 5 back. Make sure when you pop these wires on, y'all gotta make sure y'all hear them click. You know what I'm saying? Cause they don't click, you gonna have a misfire. Wish I could let y'all hear it click. I don't think I gotta recheck that click. Listen, you heard that click? Okay, y'all, we on 3 right here. I already snatched it on right there. That's 3. And it goes right here. I just told my wife I ain't even recorded. I thought I recorded. I don't never thought I was doing something. I ain't doing nothing. You feel me? So put that on there just like that. Make sure you got it on there. Loosen towards the just like that. Just like that. Take them out right there. All right, put that back in just like that, y'all. Get it in there. Ah, don't hurt yourself. Take that out. Grab that. Make sure you rub in there. It is. Get your wire. In there. In there. Put it back on right here. You hear that? Click. Last one. 1. Pop that off. I just throw it on the ground. I don't need it. You feel me? I don't need it. Stop playing. Get this. Let's get it. Take it off just like that. I told you put your hands on it. You get it in there. You did. Bam. That one burnt. Yeah. Ooh-wee. Get out the camera. Put that right there. In the chain. You feel me? Stop playing. Find the hole. Find the hole. I love a GM car though. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Love them. But I love a Ford truck. Stop playing with them, Z. You feel me? Come on now. Change the ratchet over. Just like that. Yeah. Don't break yourself. Slide it out. Check for your rubber. It's in now. Get your last wire. Your last spark plug wire. You know what I'm saying? We got to hit pop. There it is. There it is. Put that on now. So I'm gonna put these clips back on. The new wires. Just like that. Let's put the cover back on. 3800. Yeah, dig. Show y'all it's really a 3800 for real. There it is. Bam. Ooh yeah. Hey. But yeah, spark plugs on, wires on, old spark plug, you feel what I'm saying? Man, I'm tired in the big dog, you feel what I'm saying? Hat like T.I. expeditiously, you feel me? I'm him, you dig? But we're gonna go on to fire it up. I gotta hook the battery back up. We're gonna go on to fire it up and get to see. I told y'all like that Ford truck on to stop playing, yeah. But we're gonna go on to fire it up and see what it do. There she go. You dig? Let's get it. Car clean on the inside now. Don't act like you even got a little power. I think you really about out of gas though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let me check it out. Ooh, y'all. Good running. I told you that sucker run good. It run good, you feel me? Yeah. I sprayed a little something on there. Ain't shaking, ain't none of that. Ain't none of that, you feel me? Stop playing, man, expeditiously. Y'all already know what we do, man. Fix the Chick channel. Shout out to her. I am her husband, you feel what I'm saying? And I am a real-time mechanic, you feel what I'm saying? I also do plumbing, you dig? Stop playing. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on her channel. Stop playing with it, you feel what I'm saying? She really know her stuff, you dig? Get out of here.